What if I told you by doing this one thing, it could completely change the way your marketing performs in a positive way? What's going on, guys? Matt here, Service Industry Coach. If you have not hit that subscribe button, please do it right now as I post videos on a regular basis about how to grow and scale your home service company. All right, guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick marketing hack that I think is gonna change the way that your business markets all your services and how customers are gonna connect with you through your marketing, which in return is going to make your marketing perform even better. If we're being honest, we've all done this before. Very blank statement style marketing is what I call it. It's where we send out a direct mail piece, we put a flyer on a door, maybe it's a door hanger, a Google AdWords, and it's very generic. It's got our company, our logo, the services we offer, and maybe you throw like a $20 coupon on there, cross your fingers and pray you get some phone calls. But I want you to start thinking about marketing in a different way. What if we thought about marketing in a problem-solving way rather than just a blanket statement way? And here's an example. Let's say you're a restoration company and your primary business and service is you go and you help people who have water in their basements, you get the water out and you fix the issue. Well, the way the majority of restoration companies would market themselves is, hey, we're a water restoration company. Do you have water in your basement? Did your basement flood? Give us a call, right? But what if you were to address the actual fear of the customer in that situation rather than just giving a blank statement about, hey, we're a water restoration company? What's the main fear people have when their basement floods? Black mold, right? And why is that? It's because black mold is extremely dangerous to breathe, it's dangerous to be around, and people are scared it's going to harm their family. So as a restoration company, and this is just an example, what if rather the ad being a blanket statement ad, it was titled more like this: do you have water in your basement? Are you scared that black mold is forming? If so, give us a call. We specialize in this exactly, and we have a solution. Don't worry. Now you're addressing the problem. The customer's going, do I have water in my basement? Yes. What is my fear? Black mold. They addressed the black mold fear. Okay, this company already knows what I'm thinking. Do they have a solution? Yes, it sounds like they have a solution. I'm calling these people, right? And they're at least calling you to learn more about your business. So I want you to start to think over the next 2, 3, 4 weeks, when customers are calling in, I want you to be taking mental notes. When they are calling for your services, they will tell you why they are calling. What is the reason they are calling you? They have a problem and it needs to be fixed. But in their head, what is the problem and what is the reason? Now, when you can kind of bring this data together and you can say, okay, 80% of these people that are calling me because they have this specific problem that they need solved. Well, now we can reshape the way we do our marketing around that problem. So now when your direct mail campaign goes out and Mrs. Jones has water in her basement, you aren't just the basement restoration company who does water damage stuff. You're the basement restoration company that is going to come in and take care of the black mold to make sure the family's safe. Do you guys see how that converts much better and how it's much more personalized and how it literally confronts the fear of the customer and confronts the problem the customer has? So start to listen to your customers. Start to take mental notes, even write it on paper, get a tally, and whatever problem has the largest percentage, start to wrap your marketing around that problem, and I guarantee you, your marketing is going to work way better than it has in the past, and people are going to connect with you on a much deeper basis. I hope this works. I'd love to hear your feedback, comment below, and we'll see you guys on the next video.